asuntoskeittiö Tampereen Helmihanhi, Pappilankuja 2.
This was also impossible to get inside.
Yeah, in Takahuhti.
Takahuhti, yeah. In Tampere, Finland. Pirkanmaan Birkamaan for force. It was built at the beginning of 2004 by Schindler. Schindler Smart, Schindler logo there. Symbols 1785 capacity 8 persons. This in diagrams. At least luckily it was not cases.
Yeah,
But it also could have been also 2000, but this was still important.
yeah.
So this was the first one that we tried today and they got missing, so it's not bad.
Yeah.
I hope that the rest will go as well as possible.
It's built by licensed, maintained by Schindler.
Let's hope we will be as lucky as possible.
Yeah.
Even though it is a Sunday. It's a taxi with Sundays coming, right?
Yeah. This probably staircase be even. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah.
Yeah, this is May 4th.
Yeah.
And today also was the 26th of January 2025. That's it. Thanks for watching. What else could I be wooden ones?
Yeah. That's